Once upon a time, in a dense, lively jungle, there was a big, old orangutan named Steve. Everyone called him Grumpy Monkey Steve because he always had something to say about everything everyone did. When Lila the leopard climbed trees, Steve would shout,
"You're doing it all wrong. Climb with more grace."
When Benny the bird sang his morning songs, Steve would grumble,
"Too loud, too pitchy, sing softer."
And so everyone in the jungle knew Grumpy Monkey Steve and his endless stream of advice. But what they also knew was that Steve never tried doing any of the things he commented on. One sunny day, a group of young monkeys decided to have a tree climbing race. As they excitedly chatted about it, Steve couldn't help but comment,
"Back in my day, I could climb that tree in mere seconds."
Lila the leopard, feeling a bit mischievous, replied, "Why don't you join the race, Steve? Show these young ones how it's really done." Steve, not one to back down from a challenge, agreed.
"Very well, I'll show you all how a real expert climbs."
The race began, and off the young monkeys went, scampering up the tree with speed and agility. Steve, with all his confidence, started his ascent. But he soon realized that climbing wasn't as easy as it looked. His arms ached, and he struggled to find good grip. He huffed and puffed, watching as the young monkeys reached the top with ease. By the time Steve reached the halfway point, he was exhausted. The young monkeys cheered him on, encouraging him to finish the race. With great effort, Steve finally made it to the top, long after the others had finished. At the tree's summit, looking out over the vast jungle, Steve had a moment of clarity. He realized that it was easy to give advice from the ground, but actually doing something brought its own challenges. As they all descended, one of the young monkeys approached Steve and said, "It's not as easy as it looks, right?" Steve chuckled.
"You're right. I should think twice before I offer my wisdom in the future."
And so, dear listener, the moral of this story is that it's easy to judge or give advice from the sidelines, but until you've tried something yourself, you might not know the whole story. Good night, little dreamer. As you drift into dreams, remember to appreciate the efforts of others and always be kind in your judgments.